Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ TV. Yes, so my people, based on the whole matter we happened on the 2nd of January, we be say Governor of Lagos State arrest some kind of men right for wrong way, one way. And I know say one particular one for inside when they won't carry him, he can't say na soldier. So that one I can provoke governor, make governor converse, also say, may they put inside motor if now soldier may go call one who we want call. My people right now, Femi Falana, Sam, he don't come outside, he don't come talk for this matter. According to what he talk say, he go make sure say that particular man, so he call himself soldier, the persecutor. You see the case to the end. Anyway, if I not go talk too much, I'll upload on this video now. I'm gonna watch and listen to what if Femi Falana talk for this matter, and people don't forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Governor Sanwo had an encounter with an officer, with someone on an Okada who said he was an officer. Let's take a quick look at that video. Look at it. So this was the governor, taking on some Okada riders who are facing oncoming traffic.
Madam, they're exactly that video. You're going to Okada and they're taking you one way and you put it on Facebook on a road that I've done. Is it good? And they will not hit you, you go and fall and you die. They'll say government killed you. What a shame. And we're all praying that we have a better country. Post it and tell people this is what the kind of things I see. In 20 minutes, I'm sure they will still carry another person.
How do you respond to that? But the interesting part of that is where he arrested a soldier and asked that the guy will put in a vehicle, and the fellow was saying he was a soldier and was saying, look, that's the more reason why I should arrest you. Can you speak to that very quickly?
Well, in our country, men of the armed forces believe as if we're still under a military dictatorship, that they are above the law. We're even lucky that no incident, there was no unfortunate incident. Last year, August, some policemen were controlling the traffic around Ojo area, and because a vehicle was stopped, or vehicles were stopped, soldiers came from one of the vehicles and pounced on the police officer, and the inspector was killed in the process. Others were injured and detained in the barrack. Now, what happens in such a situation where we have had to go to court? Because even to release the soldiers for investigation was problematic.
Okay.
It was the same thing in the case of Wadume, where a captain led soldiers to attack 3 policemen and kill them who had come to arrest a very dangerous criminal suspect. And what happened? The soldiers, they were even charged. The former Attorney General, Mr. Abubakar Malami, withdrew the case from the court. Now the soldiers would try them. These guys have been promoted. So we must run a country where there is rule of law. And there will be equality before the law. And I'm going to ensure that we get the human rights community to pressurize the Lagos State government to have that soldier tried.
Okay. Well, that's something to look forward to. Mr. Femi Falana, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
DJ TV. DJ